This is what Summer did when I was trying to download Teletubbies for her on the PC. We already had crayons all over, but now we have probably about 20 pounds birdseed everywhere. And with the crayons. Birdseed everywhere. Birdseed, birdseed everywhere. Every inch of space is covered by birdseed. Summer Lily is now taking a nap. Bye-bye. I just got the mess cleaned up. I came back to our bedroom, and as you see, I don't know how she did it, but we have birdseed in the bedroom. All over the bedroom. I don't know how she did it. I was right in the next room downloading Teletubbies. Okay. No rest for the wicked. You're going to clean it up?
Yes.
Did you do that?
Yes.
How did you do that? Did you carry the bucket in here?
Yes.
Why?
No. I made a mess.
I know you made a mess. Why'd you do it?
My sweeping.
Well, I see you're sweeping now, but no birdseed, okay?
Okay.
Look at Nana and tell her that. No birdseed anymore?
No.
Okay, you're going to be a good girl?
Yes.
You love me much? Sammy, you love me much?
Dear Nanny.
Thank you. You love me much?
Mighty.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.